We are going to show and explain the different viewing options in the Wacky Buttons Interactive Design Studio. This is a good feature to use, especially for centering things and seeing a proof of how your design will print. To see a simulated view of how your design will look on the actual product, which we see here, we choose Product View. Designing in this view allows you to get a feel for how the final product will look. To see a view that shows bleed, we choose Template View right here. This view is good for seeing if things are centered properly. The dotted line here indicates where the front begins to wrap around the edge rim of the button. In this view, it's important to make sure that the background color extends across the dotted line. So here I have a circle. I just clicked center. And it's not going across the bleed, so I'm going to hold down Alt and drag the corner square. And I'm filling up that whole area. Plain Image View simply removes the template lines from the template view. Now you can see the whole image. You can make sure something on the design wasn't being covered up, or you can see if something was there that should not be. Let's go back to Product View, and there we go. We know that around the edge here it's going to extend that background color because we can see that we did that in the template view.